I'm at Merrill Creek Reservoir in Harmony, New Jersey right now, and I was intending to go out with my kayak, but it's very windy, and they have an amazing wildlife trail here. So let's do this instead. Oh, here's a map. You are here where the star is. Do you see the star? Or maybe we're over here? I don't know. Here we go. I think that we are here where this peg is. And we are going this way. Although that can't be true, because the water is over there. I'm terrible at this. The water is to my left. Oh, here's another parking lot. It's a marked trail. If I had a map, it would probably be more sensible. Oh, this is the visitor center. Interesting. The trail goes that way around the side, but I see a little garden area over here. Let's go look at this. These placards talk about what makes a healthy forest. At least those ones did. This one talks about pollinators. It's a butterfly garden, I'm imagining. Very nice. My van is way over there at the boat launch area. But there's the big water. There's the reservoir. We've been out on that dam out there, looking across, because there's the visitor center. All these blue martins are flying about. But this is the way we want to go over here. You can bring your dog here, but I left Freya today because I was going to go out in the kayak. And it's not her favorite thing, although she can go with me. Okay, here's another map. And all right, I have determined that we want to try to find the blue and the red trail. And I didn't use my All Trails app, I'm just using that actual map. And there is the blue and the red trail, so that's good. This was not supposed to be a cloudy day. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a robin. It was still nice. This is neat. Those are roses. I just looked on my Merlin app. That little squeaky noise is an American redstart, which I would love to see. Now we're leaving the area where we're next to the reservoir, and I remember this spot. This is just a little glen of pine trees in here. Isn't it amazing? But this isn't the way we go. I can hear the water. It's making me want to go this way. But look at this. These trees are massive. Let's sit on this log over here. I'm having such a wonderful time here today. I'm so glad that you've come along with me. Please make sure you give this video a like. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That would absolutely make my day. I'm glad I didn't go kayaking. There are some ruins on the property here. This is where a home stood before there was a reservoir, which is right there. Ooh, this looks interesting. I was looking for a stream. I got my all-terrain shoes on, so I don't want to really get my feet wet, but wow. This is really cool. Ooh. I love this. And that is such a big body of water out there. And here I have to walk through this with my all-terrain shoes on. It's actually flowing. Oh, and it even moves a little bit. I wasn't planning on getting wet even if I did go kayaking today. All right. Ooh. Here's some more ruins of the buildings that stood here once upon a time. It's really pretty here. And every once in a while the sun pokes out. See, there is spots of blue. I need to go look at the map. We are on the yellow. And I'm going this way, I'm pretty sure. We're just gonna double check. Yep. The blue and the yellow. Man, the forest here is thick. Wow. And here's where I opened the Merlin app I have on my phone. And I was really amazed by all the different cool birds that I was hearing. I also found out that you could use the Merlin app to identify birds in a video that you're watching. So if you have the Merlin app, you can identify the birds in the woods where I'm standing right now through the video. I've seen some birds through my binoculars, but they're so hard to photograph. That's an oriole. There he is. This is so beautiful. I think we're supposed to go that way, but I want to look over here. I think there might be water. Now we should be back on the yellow trail. Or at least coming to an intersection that will have one of those maps, I hope. Yep, we're on the yellow trail. Yellow and white. It doesn't matter, we're on the yellow trail. This is so pleasant. So pleasant. Oh, there's another trail. What does this say? Trail reroute. Permanent trail reroute. Black. And it's by the water. But we're not going to go that way. And those other symbols are for a like a scavenger hunt where you go and find different trees. Oh, look at this. Anyway, you find different trees and learn about the different species that are in this forest. We'll have to come and try that. You get a map or download a map and sort of go on a quest. Okay. This is really amazing. Oh, good, and there's one of those maps. It's really the middle of the day. It looks dark, but it's not. It shouldn't be. All right, we want the black and yellow. See that MCR? That's the trail to identify the different trees. Merrill Creek. Interesting. Oh, look at these. Now where do we come out? I have to look at this. I'm going to consider us needing to go this way. All these different spaces. Now we're on the green trail. And there have been so many different birds. And I saw a fox and some little black thing, which I think was a mole or a vole. Okay, I think we made it back. I think that the reservoir is out there, and I think that there's a parking lot right there, at least there should be, where my van is. This is a big place. Well, there's certainly a parking lot. Let's see if it's the right one. Yes, I'm pretty sure I see the boat launch down there. And my van should be in the parking lot. And that was quite an adventure. Yep, here we are. Thank you so much for coming along on my adventures. And this was awesome. We have to come back here when it's not so windy and put the kayak out on that great big piece of water out there. But until the next adventure, bye for now. Make sure you're subscribed. Give this episode a thumbs up. And bye for now. Yeah, there's my van.
Yes, it's called Spruce Run. Escort them off the property.